Hey guys, GNT here, and today we've got Dark Wolf, bam, versus LEONE. Yes, since the last Metal Fight battle was so freaking quick, I decided why not do another one. Sorry, I had to reset that string launcher, it got kind of stuck. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh! It's getting real here. Man. Yeah, it looks like Leone's got this. Wolf is wavering. Yep, there it is. LEONE takes the first round. We go into the second one. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Oh yeah. Extra slow battle. That's what we've got here. Look at this. The slowest battle ever. They're just going to spin around each other and look. Up, contact. Here we go. There we go. It's a real battle now. Wolf is circling and coming in. Oh! LEONE takes a second match. Oh, this is not good for you, Dark Wolf. Step your game up. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Goodness, my card got all stuck in the way. Everything. Oh! That might be bad for LEONE. But Wolf is being kind of jank right now. It should not be moving like that. They're both leaning really hard, though. Oh, there it is. Wolf took that one because of the lean. It leaned with it, then it rocked with it. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Nothing too hard yet. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry, I'm too into this match right now. Can't even say much. This is intense. I'm wondering which one will win. Oh no. Oh, it's Wolf. It's Wolf. It's barely Wolf, but it's Wolf. Woo! Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Gosh darn it. Dang card for the headset. Keeps getting him away. Oh, heavy hits. My goodness. I think Wolf is out of it, though. That's it. That's it. Wolf is done. Calling it. There it is. The champion. Okay, sorry about that. Our champ is LEONE. Yes. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out and have a great day.